Welcome to our channel. If you have a SunTrust prepaid card and need to activate it by phone, follow this quick guide to get your card ready for transactions in just a few minutes. Step 1. Locate the SunTrust prepaid card activation phone number printed on the sticker attached to your card or in the documentation that came with your card in the mail. Step 2. Have your SunTrust prepaid card and personal identification information ready before making the call. You'll need these details during the activation process. Step 3. Call the activation hotline using your mobile or landline phone. The number should be toll-free, meaning there's no charge for the call and it's available 24 hours a day. Step 4. Listen to the automated voice prompts when your call connects. Select your preferred language if offered, then choose the option for card activation from the menu. Step 5. When prompted, enter your 16-digit SunTrust prepaid card number using your phone's keypad. Input each digit carefully and wait for the system to confirm it has received your entry. Step 6. Provide additional verification information as requested by the automated system, such as your date of birth, the last 4 digits of your social security number, or your billing zip code. Step 7. If required, create a 4-digit PIN for your prepaid card. Enter your chosen PIN twice when prompted by the system for confirmation. Make sure it's a number you'll remember. Step 8. Listen for the confirmation message indicating your SunTrust prepaid card has been successfully activated. The system may also provide your current card balance. Your card is now ready to use for purchases, bill payments, and ATM withdrawals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.